Hi, this is Ava from Realty Candy. Today we're going to be going over the Follow Up Boss app on IDXAddons.com. So let's get into the video and I'll show you how to set it up. So the first thing we're going to do is go to followupboss.com and you're going to click Admin at the top right here. Go over to More, and there should be a tab right here that says API, and we're going to select that. So once here on this page, we're going to go to Create API Key, the blue button right here, and it's going to give you the chance to name it. So I'm just going to name it Demo App for now, and Create API Key down at the bottom. You're going to hit that, and then there is the API key. So we're going to click Copy. So make sure that's copied before you exit out, because as you notice right here, this is the only time the key is displayed and only you'll be able to see it ever again. So just make sure that's copied before hitting done. So once you've copied your API key, we're going to head over to IDXAddons.com. Under Dashboard, click on Apps and look for Follow Up Boss, and it should pop up right here. And as you can see, there's already an API key in there. So we're just going to paste the one that we found to show you how that would look like and hit Save. So once you hit Save, there's going to be some options that pop up on your screen. So the most important to note right here is the FUB integration app. So it's going to give you this link right here. You're going to copy the link and we're going to go back to Follow Up Boss. Under Admin, we're looking for integrations. So you're going to click on that right there and it's going to take you to this page. So once here, we're going to scroll down to Embedded Apps right here. And then there should be an option that says Create an Embedded App. And we're going to click on that. It's going to give you the option to name it. So we're just going to call it Video Demo. Select Next. It should take you to a page that looks like this. So if you scroll down, there is a URL area. So we're going to select the link that we just copied off of the IDX Addons dashboard in the FUB integration app. Pop it right in there. Select Agree, and then you're going to hit Save App. So once you hit Save, not a lot will come up to confirm that you've saved, so you kind of have to go and confirm it for yourself. So we're going to go back to integrations. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there is the video demo that we just made. As you can see, I have a couple others here, but we're going to click on that. And then we're going to click Enable, and then hit Enable again. So now that we've clicked Enable, we can go over to People up at the top and click on one of your leads. And then we're going to refresh the page. Once it's refreshed, you should see your video demo right there at the bottom, and you can click on that. It might take a second to load, but then once it does, under video demo, which is what we just made, you can see the embedded app and it shows the info of the lead and all their saved searches. So that is how that will be displayed right there. One more important thing I should mention is that if the lead does not exist in IDX Broker, as soon as they open this app right here, an account will be created for them in IDX Broker. So it makes it a lot easier for you to track your leads. And if there's a lead already in IDX Broker with this email, then this app will automatically retrieve all their saved searches and saved properties for you. So it makes it super easy and super simple. If you'd like to create a saved search, that's also really simple. So you just go over here and click Add New Alert. And again, we can just name it Demo Video, click Continue. And then here you can tinker around with all the different settings and options. So like a minimum price and like maximum price and beds and all that information. So that is where you can play around with that. So that is also super easy to do. So you can also add a city if you'd like, and really make it as specific as you'd like. So once you're happy with that, you can go down and click Create, and then hit Manage Searches, and you'll see it right there, which is the search that we just created under Video Demo. And you can see there is the saved search with the city and the bed and bath that we put, minimum, maximum price, and all of that information that we specified to what we wanted exactly. So that is how you would do that. With the Follow Up Boss app, it makes it super easy to find leads, saved searches, and create saved searches. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks so much for watching.